Hey everyone, welcome back to Techinstall. First, open your web browser and visit a trusted website that offers XAPK downloads. For this tutorial, I'll download an XAPK file for demonstration purposes. After choosing the app or game you want, click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Now launch BlueStacks 5 from your desktop or Start menu. Wait for the emulator to load completely until you reach the BlueStacks home screen. To install the XAPK file, simply open your Downloads folder and locate the file you just downloaded. Now drag and drop the XAPK file directly under the BlueStacks window. BlueStacks will automatically recognize the XAPK package and begin the installation process. Depending on the size of the app or game, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the app icon appear on the BlueStacks home screen. As you can see, the app opened successfully, confirming that the XAPK file was installed correctly. And that's how to install XAPK files in BlueStacks 5. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to Techinstall for more software installation guides, setup tutorials, and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.